Hi, today I want to talk about the mean standard deviation deal with two set of number, which is two variables. Let's say this is S&P last 5 years return from 2016 to 2020. So this is annual return number. And compared to Best Buy, BBY, Best Buy 5 years return. So you can see, give you this set of the number. We want to find out their correlation. So what we want to do, first we want to, I want to show you how to use the calculator get all those number. First we go to the second, then you go to data. Then when you do this, make sure the market, which is S&P 500, is on the X. So it's X data. Because later we have a line here, so you make sure your this equation is it's correct. It's the one you wanted. So make sure the market is X, then the individual stock is Y. So that way, yeah, you will get everything correct. So, okay, so we do, this is 9%, because if we do 0.09, then just, lots of input. So we can just input the 9, 20. So we do not put the percentage in it. So that way the number is easier to read. However, later just be careful. You need to understand some number you need to adjust it. So okay, so now here is 9. 9 enter basically is 9%. So Y, this is Y data. Y is 35. Then enter. Then if this is 20, enter. Then Y 65, enter. Then this is 6, negative 6. So you put a negative sign, then you enter. Then it's 21 is negative 21, you enter. Then the fourth data is 25, you enter. Then you 71, you enter. Then you 19, you enter. Then 17, you enter. So this is all the data in it. So five set of the data. So we want to double check the number. Yeah, the number is right. Okay, so once you did this, then you want to do second state, STAT. So here is because this is linear regression, so that's we use LIN. So otherwise you have to go to like a second set to find everything else. So it's linear regression is right here, so we don't need to go. So once you are here, so you scroll down. They tell you is number of set of the data is 5 set of data. So now they give you the mean, which is S&P 500. The mean, the average return is 13.4%. So they give you this number is a percentage. Then the standard deviation is 12.3%. Then that is sample standard deviation. This is population. We only use sample, so we not really use population because it's not population, but they give you anyway. Okay, so then they give you Y mean is, which is the average return of Best Buy for last 5 years is 33.4%. So then is the sample standard deviation is 37.56%. Then they also give you population standard deviation. We not really need it. So once you get this data, if you scroll down, they give you negative 2.0529. So this number actually is, this is called regression line. Regression line is y equal to bx minus a. So here the a, this one, because we did the percentage, so this one you have to adjust it. You divide by 100. So this is something you need to be very careful. So when you do the percentage, you didn't do the percent, the sign here. Anyway, so this one you need to adjust it. Then the screw down, this is B. You don't need to adjust the B. Is 2.6457. So we just 2.65. So this I will tell you later. This means. So then they give you R. R is correlation coefficient. Is tell you how the return of the Best Buy, how much relate to correlated with S&P 500. So this just tell you this is 80, more like 86%. So then you scroll down. Okay, this is everything else. So they didn't give you R square, so you can simply square this, then you can get 0.7506, then you get R square here. So that's